Hello! In this video, we will go over the differences between standard and loyalty orders, as well as how to create and edit a loyalty order. To start, you will choose which location you want to purchase your products from. On the right-hand side of the page, you can click either Australia products or US products. After this, there are two types of orders you can place. The first order type is what we call a standard order. This is simply a one-time order that does not count towards the Loyalty Rewards program. You cannot earn product credit points from a standard one-time order. To place a standard order, simply click on the white Place Standard One-Time Order button on the right of the screen. Once you have clicked this option, you will see here that you are now placing a standard one-time order. Begin shopping by clicking on one of the product categories and then adding your desired items to the cart. To view the items you have selected, click on Review Cart. In My Cart, notice the frequency column says one time, since this is a standard order. Edit your ship to address, payment method, and email confirmation address by clicking on the Edit link next to the appropriate section. Select your shipping option at the right. After clicking Continue, you will be taken to a new page so that you can review your order. If you need to make any changes, click Return to Cart. The Quick Add to Cart search bar is another way you can add items to your cart. Simply type the name of the desired product and then select it to add it to your cart. Remove items by clicking on the X in the corresponding item line. To view the order totals, click View Totals. To proceed, click the Continue button. When you click Continue, a pop-up will appear. Here you can choose if you would like to create a new LRP order using the items in your cart. If you have any scheduled LRP orders, you will see them listed here with the option to add these items to your LRP. You also have the option to either keep standard order and place this as a one-time order, or you can create LRP order, which will convert this into an LRP. You then have the option of clicking here to never see this message again if you don't want the reminder. If everything looks good on the review page, click the purple Process Order Now button. Congratulations! You now know the process of placing a standard one-time order. To maximize the benefits of buying our products, you can participate in our Loyalty Rewards program, generally referred to as the LRP. With the LRP, you place monthly orders which may earn you product rewards points, free product, and access to commissions. With a loyalty order, you select a day for the order to automatically process each month. If you wish to receive the same order the following month, simply leave your LRP as is. If you want to change the contents of your next month's order, you can edit your LRP anytime prior to your processing day. By placing orders through the Loyalty Rewards program, you are able to earn product credit points. These points can be redeemed for free product. To create a recurring monthly loyalty order, select which location you want to purchase your products from, then click Create a new LRP template on the right-hand side. This will take you to a calendar where you can pick which day of the month you want your order to automatically process. Only the dates with circle around them are available for selection. Some dates have already reached their capacity for LRP orders and are no longer available to choose. Note that you can change this date later if the date you want is not currently available. Click on the date that works best for you, then click on Next, Add Products to your cart. If you would like, you can have more than one loyalty rewards order by duplicating this same process to create a second LRP template. If you do set up multiple orders, you will want to be sure that you edit both of your orders before they process each month. Like the standard order, you can then shop by clicking on one of the product categories and adding desired items to your cart. When you are ready to go to your cart, click on the Review Cart button. Just to the right of your order details, you will see a box listing your next order processing date and an option to select a different date. Notice the frequency column says monthly. This is how you know that you are editing a reoccurring loyalty order. Make any other needed edits to your cart, address, or payment information just as you did in the standard order. When the order is ready to go, you can click on View Totals to check the cost of the order. Just above your listed items, you will see the Clear Changes and Save Changes buttons. Clear Changes will erase any changes you have made to the order and return you to the main shop page. Save Changes will save all the alterations you have made to this order, leaving it to process on your next order date. Here at the bottom, you can continue shopping, which returns you to the product categories, allowing you to continue adding items to your order. Process Order Now will process the order now instead of waiting for your designated processing date. This is very useful if you want your order to process early this month. It is important to note that if you do process early, your LRP will not process this month on your assigned date, but will instead wait until next month's processing date. This can also be used to manually place several loyalty orders in a given month without needing to create a second LRP template. After clicking Process Order Now, you will follow the same steps as a standard order to process your order today. Congratulations on editing your first LRP order. There may be some pop-ups that appear after clicking Save Changes or Continue to remind you of certain PV levels needed to qualify for specific rewards. Note that certain new or promotional items may not be saved to the LRP template. If you have any questions regarding your LRP and promotional items, please contact doTERRA Member Services. Once you have created an LRP, it is easy to make changes. In your account, under the Shop tab, you will now see a loyalty order listed in the Scheduled LRP Orders box on the right. Simply click Edit Order to begin changing your order. For more information on the Loyalty Rewards program, LRP rewards, promotions, or how you can qualify for commissions, please refer to the doTERRA help site or contact Member Services. Thanks for watching and enjoy the many products doTERRA has to offer.